I like living here.
I agree. Pasadena is a nice city,
It's not too big.
and it's not too small.
It has great weather all year long.
It is the Rose Parade.
It has beautiful houses.
It has wonderful restaurants.
It has great schools.
It's close to the mountains.
The people are friendly.
I'm not ever going to leave. We need a new mattress.
What's the matter with this
It's
one?
not comfortable.
It seems fine to me.
I toss and turn all night.
You should stop drinking coffee.
Look at these marks on my arms.
What are they? Did the cat bite you?
No. The bedbugs in that mattress bit me.
Okay, let's get a new mattress. My laptop is so slow.
Buy a new one.
I would if I had the money.
Why is it so slow?
That's a good question.
Did you take it to a computer shop?
I would if I had the money.
Well, I guess you have to live with it.
Sometimes I want to throw it out the window.
You don't want to do that.
Why not?
You might hit someone in the head.
What's for dinner?
I'm not sure.
How about a pizza?
You had pizza for lunch.
But I love pizza.
Everybody loves pizza.
So why can't I have pizza for dinner?
Because you need variety.
What's variety?
Different things, not the same thing all the time.
You mean like a pepperoni pizza instead of a cheese pizza?
No, I mean a salad instead of a pizza.
We need to save money
Why do we need to save money?
because we need to buy a house.
But a house is so expensive.
That's why we need to save money.
How much do we need to save?
We need to save enough for a down payment.
How much is that?
That's about $300,000.
$30,000. That will take forever.
Not if we save every penny.
Okay. Here is 7 pennies. The ocean is so big.
You can't see the end of it.
It goes on and on forever.
And it's deep, too.
I think it's 5 miles deep.
Are there fish at the bottom?
There are fish at the top and the bottom.
Are there more fish or more people?
I think there are more fish.
I hope so. I love to eat fish. I'm upset with my mom.
Why is that?
I warned her about her new boyfriend. She didn't listen to me.
What happened?
I gave her $1,000 for her birthday. I told her to spend it on herself.
That was very nice of you.
I found out that she gave it to her new boyfriend.
Why did she do that?
He said he would buy her a nice ring.
What's wrong with that?
He went to Las Vegas. He lost it all gambling.
I hope your mom broke up with him. Do animals talk to each other?
Of course they talk to each other.
What do they talk about?
They talk about other animals.
What else do they talk about?
They talk about food and the weather.
Do they talk about us?
Of course they talk about us.
What do they say about us?
They say that we are funny looking.
Hey, we're not funny looking. Animals are funny looking.
We're funny looking because we wear clothes. I have to clean the house.
Yes, it's very dirty.
You can help me
Why me?
because you helped make it dirty.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to clean the bathroom.
Oh, that's easy.
Clean the sink, the tub, the counter, and the toilet.
That's a lot of work.
Tell me when you finish.
I don't think so. You'll just give me more work. You're watching too much TV.
What do you mean?
I mean you're wasting your life.
I'm having fun.
You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Who cares?
I care. Do something.
Okay, I did something.
What did you do?
I turned up the volume.
That's not what I meant by do something.
Will you do something? Leave me alone. Did you write a letter to Grandma?
Yes, I did.
Did you tell her about school?
I told her that school is fun.
Did you put the letter in an envelope?
Yes, and I sealed the envelope.
Did you put a stamp on the envelope?
I couldn't find any stamps.
They're in the kitchen drawer.
Okay. I just put a stamp on the envelope.
Give me the envelope, and I'll mail it for you.
When is Grandma going to learn about email? Why are you yawning?
I'm sleepy.
Why don't you go to bed?
I want to watch this TV show.
Maybe you should record it.
The tape recorder is broken.
Then you should watch the rerun.
Why? I'm watching the original.
But you'll be asleep in about 1 minute.
I'm just yawning because the commercials are on.
Okay. I'll tell you how the show ends.
ZZZ. It's Sunday.
So,
You know what that means.
I forgot.
Sunday means we go to church.
Oh, yeah.
Put on a coat and tie
Why?
to show respect to God and others.
I'm glad Sunday is only once a week.
I hope God didn't hear that.
I hope God didn't hear that.
He'll forgive me.